Ever wondered how nature's raw materials transform into luxury leather products? Today, I'm taking you inside one of the world's most fascinating manufacturing processes. From raw baboon skin to premium leather, witness every single step of this incredible journey. Join me as we explore the craftsmanship, technology, and artistry behind leather production.
Ever wondered what happens to one of nature's most resilient materials?
Copy that.
Welcome to a world rarely seen by the public.
Doors opening.
Today
Clear to
we're
back
taking
in.
you inside
that.
a
Check the
specialized
screen.
tannery
Exhaust
to
is
witness the
venting. Looks good.
full leather-making process from baboon skin. This isn't your average cowhide production. Baboon skin is
On three,
incredibly
lift steady.
unique,
Ready? 1, 2,
prized
3.
for its distinct
Good.
grain
Next one.
and
Got
it.
remarkable
This side.
durability. But working with it requires master-level precision. From the raw, salted skins arriving at the bay to the final high-end polished finish, you are about to see a transformation that looks almost like alchemy. Stick around until the very end, because the final reveal of the dyed leather is something you've likely never seen before. The texture is absolutely stunning. Before we dive into the first stage of the soaking process, if you're a fan of incredible factory transformations, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It really helps the channel. And tell me in the comments, have you ever seen exotic leather being made before? Let's get into it.
This feels thinner. Left stack.
Okay, this thicker one for the right.
Looks good. This stack is ready.
Okay, I'll check it.
How are we on space?
We're good for now.
Speed's good. Pressure next.
Got it. Gauges look stable.
Okay. Monitor the rotation.
Will do. Okay, ready? Feed it in steady.
Got it. Pushing now.
Good. A little more tension.
Adjusting. Ready to lower.
Confirmed. Lowering.
Watch the splash. Adjusting the pressure now.
Noted. Watching the gauge.
Now that
Rotation
the
starting.
skins have
Looks
been
stable.
cleaned and de-haired,
Steady
we
on the
move
left.
into the heart
Got
of
it.
the factory,
Guiding
the tanning
Lifting to
drums.
hold.
Hold confirmed.
Unlike standard leathers, baboon skin has a complex fiber structure. To preserve that iconic texture, the skins spend hours in a rotating chemical bath. This is where the magic happens. The protein structure of the skin is permanently stabilized, turning raw hide into rot-resistant leather. Watch closely as the technicians monitor the pH levels. One small mistake here could ruin the entire batch. After tanning, we move to the fleshing and splitting machines. This ensures the leather has a uniform thickness throughout. It's a loud, mechanical, and highly satisfying process to watch. Notice how the rollers strip away any excess material, leaving behind only the strongest part of the hide. We're halfway through the
Okay,
journey,
ready to dip?
and the skin
Ready?
is finally
Now lower it
starting to
slowly.
look like a luxury material.
Looks good.
Rotation looks steady.
Good. Let's increase the speed.
Confirmed. Monitoring.
Coat looks even. How's the batch?
Smooth finish. No issues here. 12.5.
Got it. Looks good.
Moving to the next.
Ready.
Check this grain. It's consistent.
Agreed. Let's verify the edges.
These are perfect, no flaws.
Excellent. How's the suppleness?
Good, but I'll check the grain.
Agreed. The specs look tight.
Perfect. Okay, thickness is 2.35 millimeters.
Got it. Moving to the next sample. Ready.
Next batch ready?
Stacking them now. Here are the edges. See how they feel?
A little rough. I'll just clean them up.
Sounds good. This one's ready.
Okay, label coming.
Perfect.
Next one.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah, stack them tight.
Got it. Looks good.
One more row.
We've reached the final stages: drying, softening, and finishing.
Straight ahead,
After
clear
the
path.
skins are toggled
proceeding.
and dried,
Watch the
they are
corner
often
stack.
quite
Got it.
stiff.
Thanks.
They go through a process
shelf
called
B12.
staking,
Scanning
where
now.
mechanical fingers massage
matches
the
the
leather
system.
to make it supple and soft to
Lowering
the
now,
touch.
watch the stack.
Finally,
lowering.
the dyes and
Stop there,
protective
set it down.
coatings are
Down and
applied.
clear.
Look at
All
that
right, let's
finish.
get this one in.
The
On
natural
three.
patterns
Ready.
of the
1,
baboon
2,
skin
3.
are now
Looks good.
highlighted,
Straight back.
creating a look that is both rugged and sophisticated. It's a testament to the hours of labor and the centuries-old techniques we've seen today. From a raw byproduct to a high-end material, the transformation is complete. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the leather industry, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next factory tour. Don't forget to like the video and drop a comment below letting us know which part of the process surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.